Welcome to Tech New Tip. Discover the power of progress. Prepare to be amazed, intrigued, and utterly captivated as we bring you the jaw-dropping, mind-bending world of mega machines and industrial titans like you've never seen before. If you thought technology was limited to sleek smartphones and flashy gadgets, think again. We're diving into the roaring engines and earth-shaking powerhouses that shape our planet. One scoop, haul, and push at a time. This is Tech New Tip, the ultimate channel for thrill seekers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who can't get enough of humanity's most mind-blowing creations. Subscribe now and join the ride as we uncover the stories, specs, and sheer brilliance behind these mechanical monsters. Because here at Tech New Tip, we don't just talk about machines, we bring them to life. The future is heavy duty. Let's crush expectations, one episode at a time. See you in the comments. Imagine this, a machine so powerful it can crush solid rocks into fine powder by simply rolling over them. Sounds like science fiction, right? But in Germany, this is a groundbreaking reality. Meet the mechanical rock crusher, an engineering masterpiece that transforms rocky, unusable land into fertile soil ready for crops. In agriculture, rocks are a farmer's worst enemy. They block tools, damage equipment, and make cultivating the land an exhausting ordeal. Traditional methods of removing rocks are tedious and labor-intensive, leaving many fields unfit for planting. But Germany, known for its innovation, has developed a machine that tackles this problem with breathtaking efficiency. The magic behind the machine. At the heart of this crusher lies its secret weapon, a spiked iron drum that looks like something straight out of a medieval arsenal. When activated, this drum spins at high speed, pulverizing rocks into dust with relentless force. The result? Perfectly leveled and soft soil, free from the nuisance of stones. But rocks don't just neatly sit on the ground, waiting to be crushed. That's where Germany's ground-turning tractors come in. These tractors dig up to 30 centimeters deep, churning the soil to bring hidden rocks to the surface. Once the rocks are exposed, the crusher rolls over them, leaving nothing but smooth, fertile land in its wake. Multifunctional machines for any challenge. Germany's innovative tools don't stop there. Another type of tractor, equipped with a 4-meter-long sieve, can filter soil while it plows. As the soil passes through the sieve, it separates into 3 categories. Fine soil fit for planting, small stones that are returned to the ground, large rocks that are collected in a rear container for disposal. This meticulous process ensures the land is not only rock-free, but also aerated and ready for planting. And if you're dealing with boulders too big for the crusher, enter the rock cleaning machine, a beast with 3 rotating steel rakes. These rakes comb through the land, collecting stones into a rear container like a giant mechanical claw. It's fast, efficient, and downright mesmerizing to watch. Turning obstacles into opportunities. With these machines, what was once rocky, unusable terrain is transformed into soft, fertile farmland. Farmers no longer have to wage war against stones. They simply let the machines do the heavy lifting. The result is land that's not just ready for planting, but optimized for high-yield crops. What if I told you that smoke, yes, the same smoke that always drifts upward, could flow downward like water? Sounds impossible, right? But with nothing more than a rolled piece of paper, tilted at a 45-degree angle and lit from one end, this unbelievable phenomenon unfolds before your eyes. The moment the paper tube catches fire, something strange happens. Smoke begins to flow downward, accumulating at the bottom in a mesmerizing pile. This defies everything we've been taught. Smoke rises, water flows downward, and gravity always wins. So what's going on here? In our everyday lives, we see smoke drifting upwards because of the heat that carries it. Smoke particles themselves are heavier than air, but they hitch a ride on the rising currents of hot air. However, when the path of this heat is redirected, Smoke can follow a different route, downward in this case. Here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't just a fluke. The concept can be demonstrated using agar wood incense, which has a hollow structure inside. When lit, the smoke generated by the incense bypasses the rising hot air and flows downward through the hollow channel under the influence of gravity. What you're witnessing isn't magical or due to any special substance in the agar wood. It's simply smoke, behaving in its natural, unaltered state, heavy and sinking when undisturbed by heat. This principle also powers modern inventions like smokeless stoves. By sealing the upward escape route of the smoke and forcing it through a cooled passage, the hot air turns into denser, cooler air, causing the smoke to sink instead of rise. But here's the jaw-dropper. This isn't a new idea. Ancient Chinese engineers figured it out during the Warring States period over 2,000 years ago. Their ingenious designs harnessed the downward flow of smoke long before modern science could explain it. Curious to try it for yourself? Roll a piece of paper into a tube, light it at an angle, and prepare to be amazed. What seems like a simple experiment reveals the profound wisdom of both nature and human ingenuity. It's a reminder that even everyday phenomena can surprise us when we take a closer look. Have you ever seen an unmanned forklift glowing with blue light, gliding across the floor like a robotic vacuum cleaner? If not, let me introduce you to the Sniper HV, the world's smallest and most compact unmanned forklift. It's not just a machine. It's a glimpse into the future of warehouse logistics, where human effort is minimized and efficiency takes center stage. Gone are the days of sweating under the blazing sun while practicing your forklift skills. As you toil away, technology has leapt ahead with innovations like the Sniper HV, a forklift that operates without a human driver. Designed for warehouse logistics and small-scale cargo handling, this futuristic marvel strips down the traditional forklift to just the essentials, the forks, wrapped in a sleek, compact frame. At first glance, it's hard not to wonder, can such a diminutive, driverless machine really get the job done? The answer is a resounding yes. Controlled via Wi-Fi and equipped with a laser scanner for safety, the Sniper HV projects a glowing blue light from its base, scanning its environment to locate and transport goods. It identifies the target cargo, aligns perfectly, slides its forks into the designated slots, and takes off, cruising around the warehouse at an average speed of 3 kilometers per hour. The magic doesn't stop there. Housed in its rear yellow compartment is a cutting-edge battery system that redefines efficiency. With just 10 minutes of charging, the Sniper HV can operate for an impressive 8 hours. Weighing only 120 kilograms, this small powerhouse can carry loads up to 1,000 kilograms, all while maintaining safe operations alongside warehouse staff. Despite its unassuming appearance, the Sniper HV is anything but ordinary. It's incredibly agile, able to navigate tight spaces and adapt its work routes effortlessly thanks to intelligent software. Need to reroute or add new tasks? No problem. Technicians can update its path in moments. Even better, its compact design allows multiple Sniper HV forklifts to collaborate in synchronized operations, turning cluttered warehouses into well-oiled autonomous systems. Think about it. A forklift that doesn't need brakes can handle tons of cargo and works smarter than many of its human counterparts. The Sniper HV isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in logistics. So, what do you think? Isn't this the kind of tech we've been dreaming about? Imagine this, a tractor so tall it can stride over a pickup truck like it's nothing. No, this isn't some science fiction contraption. It's a self-propelled sprayer, a revolutionary piece of farming technology designed to bring efficiency and precision to agriculture. The jaw-dropping demonstration of this machine stepping over vehicles is just a glimpse of its capabilities. In the world of farming, pest control is inevitable. With sprawling fields covering dozens of acres, Manual pesticide application is not just inefficient, it's nearly impossible. Enter the self-propelled sprayer, also known as a high-clearance sprayer, a machine engineered to tackle large-scale pest problems with ease and speed. So, what makes it special? The sprayer's defining feature is its towering height. With an adjustable chassis clearance of 1.93 meters, over 6 feet, it glides effortlessly over crops without damaging them. The height is remote controllable, allowing it to adapt to the size of the crops being treated. Its massive container can hold up to 6 tons of pesticide, ensuring that even the largest fields can be sprayed in one go. This machine is a giant in every sense of the word. At 9.65 meters long and 4.06 meters tall, it spreads its spray arms like wings, covering an incredible 12-meter wide area in a single pass. As it rolls through fields, pesticides are efficiently dispersed, achieving what would take hours for a team of workers to accomplish in mere minutes. Flexibility meets power. When dealing with taller crops, the sprayer can switch its setup using a rear-mounted spray fan to reach higher areas. With its 4-wheel hydraulic drive system, it eliminates the need for axles or gearboxes, giving it unparalleled flexibility in tough terrains. And with a top speed of 34 kilometers per hour, it doesn't just crawl through fields, it races. But this isn't just a field machine. Stuck in traffic? No problem. Thanks to its towering clearance, it can literally drive over obstacles. The machine's unique height advantage makes it a head-turner on the road and a game-changer in the field. The catch? This marvel of engineering is a dream machine, but it's not for everyone. With its advanced features and massive size, it's tailored for large-scale farmers. If you're not a farm owner, getting behind the controls of one of these might remain just that, a dream. Imagine a machine so powerful that every time it slams into the ground, you can almost feel the earth shake beneath your feet, even through a screen. Meet the concrete road breaker, a technological marvel that takes destruction to a whole new level, turning once solid highways into piles of rubble with brute force. The challenge of modern roads. Concrete roads are built to last, prized for their durability and strength. But nothing lasts forever. Heavy traffic, weather, and time take their toll, leaving even the sturdiest roads cracked and crumbling. Repairing these surfaces is no easy task, as their very strength becomes a hurdle to overcome. Traditional methods of breaking up concrete are slow, labor-intensive, and far from efficient. That's where these machines come in, blending raw power with precision. The Titan Hammer. The star of the show is a concrete road breaker with a hammer that could make Thor jealous. Designed like a guillotine, it features a rectangular steel head weighing 5.4 tons. As the machine rolls forward, this massive hammer is repeatedly hoisted and dropped, delivering crushing blows to the concrete below. Each strike sends a shockwave through the road, fracturing it into chunks. The hammer's drop height can be adjusted electrically, reaching up to 2.74 meters for maximum impact. In its most efficient mode, this beast can slam the road 35 times per minute, making short work of even the most stubborn surfaces. Precision demolition. But the show doesn't end there. Once the main hammer has done its job, another machine steps in to handle the finer details. The multi-hammer finisher, as it's known, is equipped with a series of smaller hammers at the rear. Unlike the main hammer, these work at different frequencies to break the leftover chunks into finer debris, ensuring no piece of concrete is left untouched. After the concrete is reduced to manageable rubble, workers or additional machines clear away the debris, paving the way for a fresh layer of road to be laid down. Efficiency that shakes the ground. Watching these machines at work is both mesmerizing and unnerving. The sheer power of the hammer blows can make onlookers feel as though they're experiencing a mild earthquake. The sight of the road buckling and breaking under each strike is a reminder of how far engineering has come. With these machines, what used to be a painstakingly slow process has become a display of raw, mechanical efficiency. They prove that sometimes the simplest approach, breaking things down with sheer force, is the most effective. So, the next time you see a smooth, freshly paved road, remember the giant, earth-shaking machines that made it possible. Caterpillar D9, a machine so robust, so relentless, that it has earned its place as an indestructible icon in the world of heavy equipment. Since its debut in the 1950s, the D9 hasn't just survived, it has thrived, proving time and again that classics aren't just built to last, they're built to dominate. The story of the Caterpillar D9 begins in the rugged terrains and unforgiving conditions of mining and construction sites. Weighing in at a colossal 49 tons and powered by an impressive 474 horsepower engine, this bulldozer doesn't just move earth, it transforms landscapes. From carving through rocky hillsides to clearing dense forests, the D9's raw power makes it an unstoppable force. But power alone doesn't make a legend. What sets the D9 apart is its elevated sprocket design, a feature that not only enhances maneuverability, but also reduces wear and tear on its undercarriage. This innovative design allows the D9 to glide through rough terrains with an agility that seems almost supernatural for a machine of its size. While other bulldozers falter under the weight of challenging conditions, the D9 thrives, tackling every obstacle with unwavering confidence. The Caterpillar D9 isn't just a bulldozer, it's a testament to engineering excellence. Its design has evolved over decades, incorporating cutting-edge technology while staying true to its roots. The D9's legendary durability has made it a go-to choice for industries where failure isn't an option. In mining and forestry operations, where machines are pushed to their limits, the D9 shines as a beacon of reliability. It's not uncommon to see older models still hard at work, their engines roaring as they tackle tasks that would leave newer machines in the dust. If you think machinery has an expiration date, the D9 is here to rewrite the rules. What truly cements the D9's status as an icon isn't just its brute strength, it's the intelligence behind its design. Caterpillar has continuously refined the D9 to include modern features that enhance both performance and efficiency. The elevated sprocket, for example, not only improves the bulldozer's ability to navigate rough terrain, but also minimizes maintenance needs, saving time and money for operators. Paired with an optional rear ripper and a formidable front blade, the D9 is a versatile powerhouse capable of ripping through compacted soil, grading slopes, and even breaking through rock-hard surfaces. This is a machine that doesn't just do the job, it dominates it, proving that smart engineering is the ultimate force multiplier. While most machines are phased out after a few decades, the Caterpillar D9 continues to evolve and adapt. Its legacy began in 1954 with the prototype D9X, and it has only grown stronger with each iteration. Today's flagship model, the D9T, incorporates advanced features like automated controls and real-time monitoring systems, ensuring that the D9 remains as relevant as ever. In an industry obsessed with what's next, the D9 stands tall as a reminder that some designs are simply timeless. It's not just a bulldozer, it's a symbol of endurance, a machine that refuses to be outpaced or outclassed. What makes the Caterpillar D9 truly remarkable is its adaptability. This is a bulldozer that doesn't just perform, it thrives in the harshest environments. Whether it's clearing debris in the aftermath of natural disasters, carving paths through dense forests, or operating in extreme mining conditions, the D9 never backs down. Its ability to endure while delivering unparalleled performance has earned it a cult following among operators and industry professionals. For those who rely on heavy machinery to get the job done, the D9 isn't just a tool, it's a trusted ally. Standing